May 11th, a day I think everybody who's an investor is going to remember. There's a lot going on. Stocks are tumbling. Crypto is tumbling down. NFTs. All of these different avenues are in the red. And so I would like to elaborate on that. Of course, you know, Jenna and I are heavy investors into these areas. We invest a lot of our money into assets, and especially NFTs and cryptocurrency. And so when you're dealing with times like this, I see a lot going on social media where people basically over leverage. There's a lot of talk about suicide and all this crazy stuff because people have over leveraged their investments. And so what I would say is this: one, never invest more than what you're willing to lose. I don't always adhere by that advice because I've got a lot invested and I definitely don't want to, nor can I lose it. But at the same time, I understand this is the game and you have to pull out sometimes to see the bigger picture, right? I understand, or at least believe I understand a lot of what's going on. I think there's a lot of fear tactics that's being put out there. I think there's a lot of market manipulation that's being put out there. And then aside from that, I think this is very common. This happens at least once a year. And so what I've learned to do is control my emotions and not look at my losses as much as I look at the opportunities, and then try to figure out how can I take advantage of these times. Because the truth is, whether you're in stock markets, whether you're in crypto or whatever, you know, you choose whatever your passion is in, making sure that you're looking at the opportunities, because these are the times that opportunities present themselves. And so this is the time that you actually want to be buying. And you have to also be cautious and, you know, don't buy into stuff because of hype on social media or Facebook groups because you think this is going to be a get rich quick scheme, right? You should only invest into projects and assets that A, you believe in, two, that you love, that you represent as your own business. I have Ethereum tattooed on my leg. I wear VV. My stuff that I invest in, I rock because I believe in it. So I'm not even looking at the price, I'm looking at the long term. And you should really make sure that you're only buying and investing into assets that you believe in, that you love, that you enjoy. Because if you love something and you believe in it, then that'll offset those times where things are difficult and things look like a loss, instead of trying to think that you're going to get rich quick. And the reality too is all great things take time. So you should never go into any type of investing approach thinking that you're just going to throw $10 in and wake up tomorrow and go buy a Lambo and have $50 million in the bank account. It's not the reality. All markets are volatile. Everything is up and down, and these are just the times we're in. So I say pull back, look at the opportunities, make sure that you're smart, make sure that you're only acquiring things that are going to make it, whether it be in stock market, crypto, or NFT, and making smart moves. But at the end of the day, these are great times. So I've been buying all day.